Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning show where we speak slowly and clearly so you can feel calm and confident while listening. I am Emily, and I am very happy to be here with you today because mornings are something we all share.
Hello, friends. I am Paul, and I hope you're feeling relaxed right now, maybe with a cup of tea or coffee near you. I feel happy today because we are going to talk about very normal life, not big grammar or difficult words.
Before we start, Paul, I want to ask you something simple because this is how real conversations begin in daily life. How are you feeling this morning? And did you wake up easily, or did your alarm fight with you?
That is a very good question, Emily, because my alarm always feels like my enemy in the morning, and I never want to hear it. I am feeling okay now, but when I woke up, I felt sleepy and slow, and my bed did not want to let me go.
I understand that feeling very well because my bed feels warm and safe, and the morning feels cold and noisy. This is why today's topic feels very real and very close to daily life.
Yes, today we are talking about something everyone does at home, no matter where they live or what job they have. Our topic today is called a typical morning routine at home, and a routine means the things you do again and again every day.
When we say morning routine, we mean the actions you do after you wake up and before you leave your home. We will talk slowly, explain new words naturally, and repeat important daily words so you can remember them easily.
Before we continue, we want to say something friendly and simple to you, because this helps our small learning family grow. If you enjoy listening to us and feel comfortable with our English, please like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English too.
Thank you so much for your support because it helps us continue making relaxed and easy English conversations. Now, let's begin our typical morning routine step by step, just like a real morning at home.
In the morning, the first thing that happens is that we wake up, and wake up means we stop sleeping and open our eyes. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock, but I do not jump out of bed because my body feels heavy and slow.
I wake up around the same time, and when I wake up, I often stay in bed for a few minutes and think about the day. This is very normal, and many people look at their phone or stretch their arms before getting out of bed.
After waking up, the next action is getting out of bed, which means you stand up and leave your bed. Some mornings this feels easy, but on other mornings it feels very difficult, especially when it is cold.
Yes, getting out of bed can feel like hard work. But we do it anyway because the day is waiting for us. After I get out of bed, I usually walk slowly to the bathroom, which is the room where we wash and clean ourselves.
In the bathroom, I brush my teeth, and brushing teeth means cleaning your teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. I do this every morning because it keeps my mouth clean and my breath fresh.
I also brush my teeth, and after that I wash my face, which means I clean my face with water. Cold water helps me feel more awake, even though it feels a little shocking at first.
After washing my face, I look in the mirror, which is the glass that shows my face. Sometimes I smile at myself, and sometimes I think I still look very sleepy, which makes me laugh.
That is very honest, Paul, because mornings are not always beautiful. After the bathroom, I get dressed, and get dressed means putting on clothes like a shirt, pants, or a dress.
I also get dressed, but I try to choose comfortable clothes in the morning because I want to feel relaxed. Choosing clothes can be fast or slow, depending on how awake you feel.
After getting dressed, it is time for breakfast, which is the first meal of the day. Breakfast gives us energy, and energy means strength to move and work.
I usually make breakfast at home, and make breakfast means preparing food in the kitchen. I often eat bread and eggs, and I drink coffee because coffee helps me feel awake.
I like tea in the morning because tea feels calm and warm, and it helps me start the day slowly. While eating breakfast, I sometimes check my phone, which means looking at messages, time, or weather.
Checking the phone can be dangerous in the morning because time moves very fast when you look at videos. This happens to me often, and suddenly I feel late.
After breakfast, I clean up the kitchen, and clean up means making the place clean and neat again. I wash the dishes, which means cleaning plates, cups, and spoons with water.
Washing dishes is not my favorite activity, but I do it because a clean kitchen feels good. After that, I make my bed, which means fixing the blanket and pillows to make the bed look nice.
Making the bed is a small action, but it helps me feel ready for the day. After that, I get ready to leave, and get ready means preparing to go out.
When I get ready to leave, I take my bag, my phone, and my keys because keys are very important to open and close doors. Forgetting keys can make your morning very stressful.
Before leaving home, I say goodbye to my family because it feels kind and warm. Then I leave home, which means I go outside and start my day.
This is a typical morning routine at home, and it may sound simple, but these actions are part of daily English. Talking about routines helps you speak naturally in real life.
Now we want to ask you two simple questions because practice is very important when learning English. What time do you usually wake up in the morning? And what do you eat for breakfast at home?
Please write your answers in the comments, even if your English is not perfect, because writing helps learning. We love reading your comments and learning about your daily life.
Before we say goodbye, let's repeat some important words naturally so they stay in your mind. Wake up, get out of bed, brush my teeth. Wash my face and get dressed are all morning actions.
Breakfast, make breakfast, clean up, make my bed, get ready, and leave home are also very common daily words. You can use these words to talk about your morning routine in simple English.
You are doing very well, and you should feel proud because learning a language takes time and patience. Do not worry about mistakes because mistakes are part of learning.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today and listening carefully. Keep practicing a little every day. Stay relaxed, and we will see you again very soon.
Take care, keep smiling, and enjoy your mornings with English.
Bye-bye, friends, and have a wonderful day ahead.